Hi, welcome to Vinyasa Wellness and Weekly Wellness Tips. This week, rather than a tip, so to speak, I actually have a challenge for you. It's a little game to play in the spirit of experimentation called the 30 Plant Food Challenge. The idea here is to see if you can fit 30 plant foods into your day. The purpose is to draw awareness to new foods, new ideas, and ways to squeeze in more variety and more nutrients into your diet. Many times I've mentioned that plant foods have a wide variety of phytonutrients, these tiny little elements that nutritional scientists are finding and learning more and more about. These things are in our food and play a huge role for cellular function and are really the key to great health and preventing chronic disease. The more variety, the better. My ground rules here are not strict. I want to stay flexible. I want you to learn and experiment and grow. And I recognize that this can be super challenging to fit in 30 different plant foods because we're just not normally accustomed to finding that level of variety. We are creatures of habit, and it's very easy to just eat an apple at lunch and cook broccoli every night, and that's wonderful, but the spirit here is for variety, and we're gonna do the best that we can. This challenge is also not meant to exclude any meat products at all. Add those foods in as you please. And this is a single day challenge. It's probably not realistic to fit in this many plants in every single day, but hopefully you'll be inspired to add more than before. Maybe you shoot for 15 or 20. So here are my tips for success. First of all, make a list of all the plant foods you can possibly think of. I have 48 plant foods laid out here, and you can probably see if you take a close look that there's things missing. For citrus fruits, I only have an orange and a grapefruit. There's still lemons and limes out there, and others. I have purple cauliflower, but not white cauliflower. I have basil, but I don't have parsley or cilantro or fresh mint. I have quinoa as a grain, but you could also use farro or brown rice or millet. So many options out there. Take stock of what you already have in your house and grow a grocery list from there, creating the day's meal plan as you create your shopping list. For example, my plan is to make a soup using onions, carrots, celery, squash, sweet potato, and garlic. I'll top that off with some flax seeds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds, and then I'll garnish it with microgreens. For dinner, I plan to make a Buddha bowl. So I'll start with quinoa cooked with kelp. I'll have spinach, mixed greens, mushrooms, red cabbage, orange bell peppers, tomatoes, broccoli, asparagus, chickpeas, beets, and radishes. It's a lot, right? And then for snacks today, I'll have nuts and berries. So I've got blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, basil nuts, cashews, walnuts, and almonds. That's exactly 30 ingredients for my day. Of course, you can do more if you get rolling. I might add olives for a pre-dinner snack or toss some pumpkin seeds or a pomegranate on my Buddha bowl. Remember that the little things count and don't need to be in great quantities. For example, I'll just use about a teaspoon of each of those 3 seeds that I put into the soup. With my mixture of nuts at snack time, I'll only have a total of about 1/3 of a cup. Okay, so are you ready to give this a try? Please comment below and let me know what your plan is. Let me know how it goes for you and if you had success or how close you came to it. Any effort is wonderful. Please post your pictures as well, and be sure to tag me at Vinyasa Wellness, and also use the hashtag 30 Plant Food Challenge. I'll post my photos on Instagram as well, so have a look out for them, and I look forward to sharing this experience with you. Thank you so much, and I wish you health.